week. You embarrassed my friend this week. You're real big, huh? Well, you think you can beat me and my friend? Huh? Oh, you can beat us? Both of us. Yeah? Well, you know what? You know what? Come on out, little guy. Come on. Me and you. Yeah. What do you say? How about my friend Kyle Blizzard? Yeah, you can beat us, huh?
So what do you say, big man? You think you can take the two of us on? Because I can see you standing across the ring from you that you definitely think there's something special. You think there's some kind of giant. But when I look at you, I don't see giant. I don't see big. This is big. You see this? This is power. You see that? That's power. This is tall, lanky Asian man. You know what you should do, tall, lanky Asian man? You should go over to Hong Kong over there, and you should give me an order of, I don't know, kung pao chicken, or whatever it is that you like to make. You know, I like to eat big meals because I'm a real big guy. So why don't you just do that, huh? Why don't you go get me something to eat?
Listen, Fabio. I hope you and your boyfriend get best next to each other.
Get him off the rope, Wayne. Let's go. Come on. Get him off the rope.